So this is the place you've been telling me about. Wow.
Yep. They made me feel comfortable, and they made my car shopping super easy and quick.
At Leith Toyota, we're making the car buying experience even easier. We will give you a written offer on your trade, guaranteed in 10 minutes, whether you buy from us or not.
And they can bring the test drive to you.
Nice.
Plus, you complete part or all of the buying process online or safely here in the dealership, whichever you prefer.
You also get no-cost oil changes, loaners, towing service if you need it, car washes, and more for life. It's all at no cost to you, not even a penny.
You get the option to buy online, no-cost oil changes, towing if you need it, car washes, loaners, a guaranteed offer on your trade in 10 minutes, and we honor all dealers' ads, and you can bring it back in 3 days.
Wow, it is easier here.
See? Told you so.
You did.